volley of angels passes over your head, you're supposed to smile and say, I love you, not shoot at them. You're supposed to be nice to angels. That's why, when you're especially nice, I say thank you. You're an angel. I don't shoot you, do I? But you want evidence. You want a dead angel, don't you, Sunshine? One with wet bullet holes you can explore with your finger like it was some strange piece of punctured fruit and say, oh my, yes, well, this is a real angel. But what you don't understand is, once you've got absolute physical evidence, nobody gives a shit what you think, and a lifetime's worth of beliefs are suddenly shot to hell. And is it really so wrong to just believe? I mean, if a woman who does not lie tells you angels are flying around and translating the nastiest dogs of this nation into Ottomans, shouldn't you take a moment to think about where you place your feet?